No.
car.
Uh-oh. People are gonna have broken windows. I've never seen anything like this in my life.
Can I go out there?
No.
Please?